Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add a YouTube live stream on Discord. To add a YouTube live stream, open a Discord channel, then go to where you want to share it. Let's say I want to share a YouTube live stream in the DelphStack server first. Open the live stream. As you can see, this is live and I have muted the sound. Now just copy the link and go back to Discord. Paste the link and hit enter. Discord will automatically generate a clickable preview of the live stream. For a more automated setup, you can use bots that monitor a YouTube channel. These bots can post the live stream automatically in a designated Discord channel. Make sure the bot has permission to send messages and embed links in that channel. Remember, Discord itself cannot host YouTube streams. The stream always plays on YouTube, with Discord only providing the preview and link. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial videos.